Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video I'm gonna tell you about the battery replacement of this Oneplus earbuds. So friends, if you are having any problem like slow charging or any of the issue, firstly you have to reset these earbuds by tapping on the touch sensors, and you have to charge your earbud with type C cable only, and with in the box it has the OnePlus cable also. You have to charge with this is the fast charging, and it provide also. So, and if it is any problem in the battery, and if you have any warranty also, so you can go to nearby service center and check if the battery is replaceable or not. If not, you have not to be just not use these earbuds if it is it quite maybe risky for you, and it is very good. There is no way of any things that may occur. Like, battery is very good in this OnePlus earbuds. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.